Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back once again to my channel. In this video, I'll show you catfish recipes, soups that you can cook with catfish, delicious delicacies. So keep watching and don't go away. And if this is your first time in my channel, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. Don't go away and watch to the end. So let's dive into it. So this is catfish. If you've not seen catfish before, it is catfish. Catfish is used for so many recipes, but in this video I'll be showing you few. So to cook this catfish, I have yellow bell pepper and yellow chili pepper, garlic and ginger blended together in this bowl, and then I have seasoning to use and spice the catfish. I have also fresh garlic, and then I have some chopped onion and salt to taste. So I'll just go ahead, after placing my pot on cooker, I'll go ahead and add my catfish. Then I'll be cooking it with mother is cow skin, and then I'll go in with my seasoning. So like I said earlier, in this video I'm just showing you some recipes you cooked with catfish, soups you can cook with catfish, fresh catfish, and you will enjoy it. Is super delicious. So I just added my salt, seasoning, and then I'm adding my yellow chili pepper to blend together, and I'm going to allow it to simmer on a medium heat for 10 minutes. While that is on, allow it to simmer for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I'll just go ahead with my turning stick, gently flip it to the other side and continue cooking it. So while that is aside, for this recipe I need crayfish, I need some uziza leaf, and I also need uziza seed. So after washing my uziza leaf off camera, this is how I'll cut it. Some like to use their hand to just give it the shape they want, but I'm using a knife to cut it to the shape that I want. Cut yours according to the shape you want. And after cutting it, this is what it looks like. I'll set it aside and then pound the uziza seed. You can choose to blend it, but I just choose to pound it on this small mortar. All right, so after a while, after 20 minutes, I turned it again, making sure that the catfish does not scatter. You know, it's soft. And then I'll add the quantity of water I want to use for this very recipe, and then I'll add crayfish, that is dry plum, and also my uziza seed, and cover it to cook after adding my yellow chili pepper. So keep watching, don't go away. Like I said, in this video I'm showing you some nice soup you cook with catfish, and it's super delicious. The outcome is super delicious. I don't know if you've tried using fresh catfish for soup before. If you've not, give it a try. You will really enjoy it, everyone. So at this point I'm just going to be adding my soup thickener, which is I'm using corn flour. You can decide to use oat flour, you can decide to use white flour. For this very recipe you can use boiled yam and pound it, but if you live in the area where you can lay hand on yam, feel free to use your white flour, your corn flour, or oat flour. So this consistency is very okay for me. So you can make your own thicker or lighter than this, but this consistency, like I said, is super okay. So I'll just cover it for another 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it's almost ready, and I'll go ahead to add the chopped uziza leaf. And this very recipe is white soup. White soup goes very well with catfish. If you have ever if you've never tried using catfish to cook your white soup, try it. It's super yummy. You don't really need much thing, just catfish, cow skin up or more. You don't need to stock it, but if you want to stock it, very fine. So this is one of the recipes that you can use catfish for, and you will enjoy it. It's super delicious and yummy. So let me know what you think about this, using catfish to cook the soup, at the comment section down below. So number 2, I will just go on to that. The number 2 recipe you can use catfish for is this one. So I just added the catfish but more and some stockfish, then go ahead with chopped onions and then my yellow chili, and allow to cook for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes I will take a turning stick and gently flip it, and then I will go in with my crayfish and then my palm oil. Going with my palm oil and cover to cook again for 15 minutes on a medium flame. And after that it's ready, and then I go ahead and add my blended bitter leaf and scent leaf. So this is another recipe that is so good with catfish. You can see how it comes out with, and this is black soup. If you've not cooked black soup before with catfish, give it a try and give me your comment at the comment section down below. So I just say let me share with you these 2 recipes, familiar recipes you can use catfish to cook. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay safe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Stay safe and stay connected. Bye for now.